In this video, we listed the 3 best tablet holders on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Starting at number 1. Soft Pillow Holder. It will definitely become your top choice when at home. You can use it in the garden, when on the sofa or in bed. This soft V-shaped holder is made of sponge and is covered with suede. A strong side is a weight, only 300 grams, and durability. The sponge can only be ruined if you cut or burn it. Otherwise, you will use this pillow for years. There's a pocket for a smartphone on the right side of the stand. It helps to always have your mobile at hand and not to look for it when you automatically put it somewhere and later forget where it is. You can choose among 6 colors of the holder, from blue, white, and black to pink and light blue. The price is from $2.99 depending on the shipping method. You can buy this product here. At number 2. Aieach Desktop Tablet Stand. Aieach stand is a perfect choice if you want to chat with a friend or watch a movie while cooking, or when you play games on your tablet and need your hands to be free to use a keyboard, mouse, or joystick. Almost 4,000 customers purchased this product on AliExpress. 1,500 people left positive feedback about it. And this is why. The holder is made of aluminum and consists of 2 parts connected with an angle regulator. The maximum angle can be adjusted manually, is up to 270 degrees. You can steady devices with screen sizes from 3.5 to 11 inches on it. Non-slip silicone cushions used in the frame prevent scratches and slipping off. There are also anti-skid pads in the basement of the holder which prevent your device from leaning and falling off. The height and construction of the holder allow connecting a charging cable without twists and damages. The minimalistic, ultra-modern style of the holder will make it look appropriate in any interior. At number 3. 360-degree rotating car tablet stand. This is an ABS plastic and aluminum alloy mobile tablet holder designed specifically for use inside the car. It has a 360-degree rotating system that can be easily mounted on the backseat headrest. You can move the main basement front, back, and sidewise to find the best angle and position. There are 2 types of holders in the same product card, a common and extensive one. Please make sure to choose the one you need. The colors are black and red depending on the model you choose. The customers report that the product matches the description and the mechanism holds tight. Enjoy fully adjustable 360-degree rotation and your favorite movies when on a trip with this reliable and space-saving holder. So if you want to buy these products, check the link in the description box.